Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Investment Splash. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn unlimited Solana, as you saw on the thumbnail. Hope you understand. As you can see, I've been getting some free Solana unlimitedly. I've gotten this, I got this today, I got this. So let me scroll down. You see all the way down Solana. And you see this is unlimited, guys. If I keep showing you, see Solana all the way down. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show you how you too can get your own Solana unlimitedly. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel for more info like this. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button, or go on YouTube, search for my channel, then you see the subscribe button. All you need is just to hit the red subscribe button. You can check out my content. I have so many free content on how you can earn free cryptocurrency. In our website, we deal with how we can earn free cryptocurrency, and we keep it in our wallet, so that when the price increases, we're gonna be in massive profit, guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. Hope you get what I'm trying to say, guys. So guys, let's go back to the Faucet Pay wallet. So I believe you have subscribed, so you can check out my content. You can see that I'll be collecting Solana all day long. Solana, it does not have any limit whatsoever. So let me without wasting much of your time, let me take you over to the website in which you too can be collecting consistent unlimited Solana like this. So let's go over to the website and I'll make some live withdrawal for you. So before I start the live withdrawal, let me show you my last payment I received. 19, I think it was on 19. Sorry, this is 19. The payout I've received is on 19. Hope you understand. So anything that's going to come in is going to be 20. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is the website, guys. This is the website. Sorry, let me reload my screen. So this is the website, guys. So I'm going to show you how you can earn your free Solana on this website. So it's called 20 Associates Solana Unlimited Reward Faucet. So all you have to do is so guys, what you have to do is very simple. So let me explain this to you step by step. So what you have to do first is to verify. You have two verification to do, and it's very simple. You can do it in just in 30 seconds. Hope you understand. So you first verify that you are human. After that, you can do this verification on this website. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So the first thing is to verify that you are human and you are not a robot. And in case you are a robot, you can comment down in the section box below. So you just read these details over here. Click each image containing a sea otter. So I've done that immediately, guys. So I'll click on next. So another sea otter verification again. Sea otter. So okay, I'll click on verify. So and the next one is 1052. Please 1052. So I'll click on verify. Say, can you see that 20 Satoshi Solana unlimited? So it says 20 Satoshi has been sent to your Faucet Pay wallet. And one thing I like about this Solana, that before it was on almost $50 for one Solana, and the price might increase at any time. So you should capitalize on this opportunity, guys. So let us see whether it has arrived, guys. So let us refresh it. Oh, let's see whether it has arrived. Okay, it has arrived. Can you see? I told it was on 20 before, and now it was on 19 before. That is on 20. Can you see? It has arrived, guys. So I'll put the link to the website in the description below. You can go ahead and start claiming your unlimited Solana. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. It has no timer. Let me take back the website. It has no timer. All you do is just to come and claim unlimited. You can claim it all day long, all day, all week. You understand? It has no limits, guys. So these are the recent claims. You can also refer your friends to this website. You'll be giving I think 50% of their earning. Can you say 50% for lifetime referral, guys? Lifetime. Hope you understand. They have total user of 9,007 user. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe once again and share my videos with your friends. Thank you. I love you all.